But this is the Flip Play Advanced LED Light Hairbrush. And I was inquisitive. It was 50% off. Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is a massive Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale haul. If you guys know, I'm on a low/no buy, but y'all, the Ulta 21 Days was really, really good this time around. I also had a ton of points saved up, and on the day that I shop, and I kind of speak to this a lot when I'm shopping specifically with Ulta, if there is a bunch of free gift with purchase, or hey, buy this fragrance, you get this free, buy this, you know, spend this much and you get this. The free gifts I have with this order, you guys, are mind-blowing. And that's part of the perks for me with Ulta, is all the free gifts with purchase. They also had 20% off. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go through everything. I'll quickly note too, most of this is not even for myself. It's for gifts. But I feel like that is the prime time, you guys, to shop for holiday season, birthdays, things like that. First up, I got the Dolce & Gabbana, the Blue Jasmine Eau de Parfum. This is actually for my mama, so hopefully she does not see this, but I will put this back. She loves jasmine, floral fragrances and stuff like that, and if I can get a prestige, very luxe, high-end fragrance for 50% off, you dang right, I'm gonna do it. So I got that. Next up, I got this for myself. It's one of the very few things I got for me. This is the Herborian Korean Skin Therapy, the CC Red Correct. Automatic Perfector, Soothing Effect, Even Complexion with a broad spectrum of 25, SPF 25. And it's a redness corrector. I've heard so many good things about this. If you have tested this and you have rosacea, because rosacea Riri is in full effect most days, y'all, let me know. So I'm intrigued by this. I'm excited to test this out. I've actually been testing quite a few recently. One of them was an absolute heck no. One of them is kind of okay. So maybe this will be, you know, that whole Goldilocks and the Three Bears thing. Maybe this one will be great. I don't know yet. Next up, I got the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum. I have not decided yet. This is massive, by the way, and very heavy. I don't know if I want to keep this for myself because, you know, I'm 47. We got fine lines and wrinkles and stuff like that. Or if I'm going to pass it along to my mama also for one of her gifts. So y'all let me know if I should keep this. Do you feel like it works and stuff like that? Have you tested this? Let me know. Again, everything was 50% off. I also had a 20% off coupon. I had tons of points. And then all the freebies. Next up is the Peter Thomas Roth, the Clinical Skincare Firm X Peeling Gel. Visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting, and sweeping away impurities when massaged into the skin. Multi-action enzymes and cellulose help uncover a smooth, fresh, new-looking complexion. Again, because I have larger pores and textured skin, specifically on the left side of my face. You know, that's the side, you know, I've been driving for many, many years. That's the side that the sun is hitting, all the things. I'm hoping this works well, and of course, getting it for 50% off, I could not pass that up. Next up, this is also a gift. This is the Truly the Perfumers Set. This has the Golden Glaze, Vanilla Baby, and Unicorn Fruit. All of them are eau de parfums. And I thought that was a really, really cool gift set. It was also quite affordable, kind of on its own. They feel very, very weighted and nice made and stuff like that. Let me see if I can open this and just kind of show what one of the bottles look like without messing up the packaging, because it's not for me. Those are so cute. Oh, they're so cute. That is what they look like. So yeah, I'm excited. And again, you know, it's more so for me to stock up for like other people and gifts and stuff like that. And I think that's a really smart way to shop if you know for sure, like, hey, you know, so-and-so that I buy for, I generally buy fragrance, or this person's been looking for this hair care product, or whatever the case may be. So I love shopping like this. Next up, also a gift. These are the, I forgot the name, Super Sweet, or Suit, Super Suit, Super Sweet. Super Sweet, we're gonna go with y'all. The Must Have Mist Me Gimme Flowers Boosting Body Mist with glycerin and energizing caffeine extract. And then I got the pairing of the Gimme Flowers Eau de Parfum Intense. So we have the mist and the fragrance. And everything is, you know, full size. I'm hearing something in this, but it's sealed up. I think these had like a beautiful little like keychain type of thing on them, like a little thing on them, like a dangle. So I'm excited about those as well. And I think the person I'm getting them for is going to love them. Along that same exact line, I also got the Must Have Mist Me Caramel Temptress Boosting Body Mist, and in the Caramel Temptress Eau de Parfum. This set I may keep for me. I do have in mind who to give it to, but I'm all about, you guys know, a very sweet baked goods gourmandy type of scent. So I may keep these for myself. As of right now though, they're a gift. Next up for myself, I got the It's a 10 Coily Miracle Moisture Cream, and then the Miracle Moisture Leave-In. My son and I have used the standard, but like the light one with like the light blue on it from It's a 10 for a very, very long time off and on. So I did want to get these and just kind of see what I think about them. I do have like longer, very wavy hair, so I do like to have things that kind of tame the frizz and help me keep hydration in my hair. Obviously, if you do have, you know, curly or coily hair, you definitely want extra boost, you definitely want an extra boost of hydration, so those are for me. Next up, also 50% off, of course, is the Charlotte Tilbury The Exaggerize Volume Mascara. I have tried this in the past, and I do absolutely love this mascara. I think it's really, really nice. Next up, something I've wanted to try for a very long time is the Tarte The Dark Circle Defense Colored Clay CC Under Eye Corrector. I got the light medium peach. And I wanted something like this for days specifically going into spring and summer months where I don't want heavy, I don't want a thick mask of makeup and stuff on my face, but because I do have redness, I'm thinking I can use this like more so in like my cheek area and stuff like that, and then kind of color correct with this. And it's gonna be just enough to give me just a little boost of confidence, kind of, you know, cancel out redness and stuff like that. So if you've tested this, let me know. And then last up, as far as the purchase, and then I'm going to go through all of these free gifts, y'all. They're going to blow your mind because I'm looking at them and they're blowing my mind. But I picked this up as well. I do use the little mini Foreo, like the little mini face scrub thing, and I really like that. But this is the Flip Play Advanced LED Light Hairbrush. And I was inquisitive. It was 50% off, and I am starting to experience a little bit of, I guess, hereditary, like just a little bit of thinning through here. I have like a little spot back here. So I just want to see if it works, and I am somebody that, like, I'm very patient. If I'm testing hair care, skin care, things like that, I'm fine testing them for a long period of time. I'm not quite sure if it says, you know, after 30 days you'll see this or see that. If y'all want me to come back in a couple months and just kind of let you guys know, I'll definitely do that for you guys. Or if you've tried this, maybe I just got scammed. Maybe they're full of crap. I don't know, y'all. But anyways, next up, I got a couple of products for my son. I have to make sure I don't talk too loud so he does not hear me. I'm just going to put them right here. You guys can read them. But they also had these 50% off, so I just wanted to get something for him. Next up, I got this for me. I'm so excited about this. The reviews and stuff are pretty good on this as well. This is the Nakery Beauty Skin Recovery Toady. That's not at all what it says. Total Body Magic Spray with 10% spa grade magnesium. I'm hoping this helps, and I'm hoping that this works. If you have any experience with this, please let me know. And then last up for my actual purchase is the Philosophy Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser. This is the big 12 fluid ounce. This is a product that both my son and I have been using for many, 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 many years. If I ever get it, if we have it, you know, kind of collectively together, we've used it off and on for a very, very long time. I like this because it's intense, it removes makeup and stuff like that, but it does not burn your eyes. If you have sensitive eyes or skin, reactive skin, this does not personally mess with me. It also has never affected my son. But to be able to get it on sale, I wanted to definitely get that. Now, with that is the actual purchase. With that, I have all of these freebies. With the Clinique purchase, we had this cute little pouch. And it is a little 3-piece set. I'm not going to take it out because if I do gift the skincare to my mom, I'll probably give this to her as well. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara, the Clinique High Impact Gel Eyeliner, and then the Clinique Smart Clinical Eye Cream. So we have a little trio here, and of course the cute little bag. So I feel like I could make her just like a self-care bundle or something like that, and I think she'd love that. Like, you know, picture this with this, and then the fragrance. I think it's a damn good gift. And then I got not one, but two big free gifts. So I'll go into this one first. And I like getting these because I can kind of test different things. I can take things for vacation and stuff like that. And then whatever I know I'm not going to keep, I put over in my resale group. This is the Wella Ultimate Color Miracle Leave-In Mask. I'll go through this stuff pretty quickly for y'all. We've got the Noise Eau de Parfum and Unmute. We have a CeraVe, the AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, SPF 50. We have a Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. We have, a Dolce & Gabbana My Devotion Eau de Parfum. And then we also have the Lancome Flutter Extension Instant Lengthening Mascara. And then last up in this little freebie is the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. Okay, and then in the larger freebie bag, we have a super bright, like neon yellow makeup bag. We have an Acqua di Gio. We have a Valentina. We have the Good Patch, patches for the pregame, wearable wellness patches crafted with DHM, green tea extract, and vitamin B1 wellness patches. Okay, I might have to keep those. We have a Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. We have the Flower Bomb Pretty Peony Eau de Parfum. We have the Noise Lost and Found. We have the Rare Beauty Universal Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. We have a Dolce & Gabbana, the Light Blue Eau de Toilette. And if you're curious and you don't really know the difference between Eau de Toilette and Eau de Parfum, a toilette's going to be a little bit more kind of watered down and or have a little bit more alcohol content. They're not going to have as much kind of staying power and lasting power. And Eau de Parfum is a little bit more kind of rich in like oils and stuff like that, more natural fragrance, and it's going to be a little bit more intense and have longer lasting power. We also have a NYX Fat Lip Oil. And the last thing, yes, is the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour Hydrator. I'll probably put this with this. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Again, I love to shop this way. I speak to this all the time. I very rarely ever pay full price for anything. If I can save up points, if I can use an influencer's code, a discount code, coupons, if I can do a BOGO, if I can get a bunch of free gifts with something. So these are things I've knocked out quite a few people already for holiday time. So I don't stress. I kind of shop throughout the year for holiday, but I've already shopped, you know, for quite a few people for gifts and stuff like that. I've picked up a couple things I've been kind of eyeing, and then I get a ton of freebies as well. I would like to know if you picked up anything from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. Is it something that interests you? Do you normally pass? Did you not really see anything that caught your eye this time around? I definitely could have gone a little bit more crazy than this, y'all. I tried to reel myself in. I tried. But that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can tap the bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.